Dear students, so we have a question over here. Question is that here we have a wedge, okay, and here is a block of mass m placed, okay. So mg is acting downward like this, and this is theta. So let's understand the angle breaking concept. How you can break the components of this mg. So there is a perpendicular component like this, okay, which is what if this is theta, this is also theta. So this become mg of cos theta, and this become mg of sin theta, okay, because this is 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, not theta. This entire is 90 minus theta, okay. So this is mg sin theta, and this is mg. Now let's understand your question. What is the angle with the normal? With the normal, okay, basically normal is acting here. So this is the direction in which normal is acting. This is the direction normal is acting. So what is the angle with the normal and tangent parallel to slope? Normal is here, and if you are asking angle with normal, uh, so basically it is 90 degree. This will be 90 degree to the mg cos the mg sin theta, okay, and this is 90 minus theta. So if you are asking the angle mg and n, you can easily calculate that. And I think whatever you are asking, it's solved because it's basically component resolving. That's all about. But in the tangent parallel to the slope sine theta in the above diagram, and here to me it is cos theta. I hope you are getting with this. So when breaking this, it is mg sin theta and mg cos theta. So hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.